here forever. Or sign this and I'll let you go. Up to you. Finally, your turn. Okay, where to start?
What the? Fiery! No!
What
fiery!
the fiery? No, fiery! Must be rough to be alone for the first time in your life, huh?
First time?
Now, I'm guessing you wouldn't want anything bad to happen to Fiery, would you? So I'm gonna need you to do me a favor. I have this little contract for...
That's not very nice.
What?
Not very nice. You are not a nice person.
No, that's not true.
I think on the scale of niceness, you're cataclysmically low. Hey, let me go, and I'll explain. Out of all 102 people I've made any acquaintance with in my lifetime, I unfortunately have to relay that you are already the worst individual I have ever met. My apologies.
Okay, you can't just say that.
I can if it's true. The tape over my mouth, threats, mimicry, the actions of someone who really isn't nice. As an expert in the field, I was recently bumped up to 0.5 on the list. That's right, even higher than number 1 on the list because I'm just so nice. I can with confidence assure you you're unlikable and likely to end up all alone and sad. But I have some tips. One, Capricorn star sign can be stubborn and pessimistic. It checks out. Here you go.
Excuse me, what gives you the right...
I'm worried you're a lost cause, One. Just trying to help, of course. Now that wasn't very nice, was it? You'll only learn if you're punished. There, a now constant reminder of your misdeeds. This is why you're 103, One. That's right, you went down. I found this book, and he's already nicer than you, too. Hooray! Hooray indeed. Let's hope One can change this attitude, or I think she'll be alone for a very, 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 very...
Just get out of here! Ugh, didn't need her anyway. I don't think this guy poses much of a threat at all anyway.